Hi friends, this is question number 1, exercise 5.2 pertaining to arithmetic progressions, that is AP. Here fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and AN is the nth term of an AP. So here in the table 5 parts of this question are given, and in the first row it is mentioned SN, that is serial number, A is first term, D is common difference, N is number of terms, and AN is nth term. So part 1 will say here A is 7, D is 3, N is 8. We have to find AN. So we'll take one by one each part. So part 1 is given, we have been given A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. We have to find AN, and we'll know that the nth term in an AP is given as AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here in this question we have been given A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. That is A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. So in this question we have been given A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. We will put the values of A, D and N in the above formula. So we will be getting AN is equal to A is 7 plus N is 8 minus 1 into D is 3. So AN is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7 into 3, that is 21, or AN is equal to 7 plus 21, that is 28. So part 1 we have to find AN, so AN is equal to 28. Now we will take part 2. Where A is equal to minus 18, D we have to find out, that is blank, and N is 10, and AN is equal to 0. So part 2, A is equal to minus 18, D we have to find out, and N is given 10, and AN is equal to 0. So In the part 2, we have been given a is equal to minus 18, d we have to find out, n is equal to 10 and a n is equal to 0, and we know the formula a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, or a n is 0, 0 is equal to minus 18 plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 into d, or d is equal to minus 18 will become or we will say zero is equal to minus 18, and here 10 minus 1 is 9, so plus 9d, or d is equal to 18 will come this side, become minus will become plus, divided by 9, so 18 divided by 9, that is 2, so d is equal to 2, which we had to find out. So this is part 2 is over. Now part 3. Part 3, we have been given a, we have to find out, a is missing, so d is equal to minus 3, n is equal to 18, and a n is equal to minus 5. So here part 3, a we have to find out, then what is given, d is equal to minus 3, n is equal to 18, and a n is equal to minus 5. So we know the formula, same formula we will be using again. We know a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A n is equal to minus 5. We will put the values of a n, n and d, and then we can find out the value of a. Is equal to a we have to find out, plus n minus 1, n is 18 minus 1 into d is given as minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to or minus 5 is equal to a plus 18 minus 1 that is 17 into minus 3, or minus 5 is equal to a minus 17 into minus 3, that is minus 51, or a is equal to minus 5 plus 51, or a is equal to 51 minus 5, that is 46. So a is 46. This is, you have to find the missing item was only a in this case. So part 4 is In the part 4, what we have been given, part 4 we have been given A is equal to minus 18.9, A is equal to minus 18.9, D is equal to 2.5, and we have to find out, and AN is 3.6. AN is equal to 3.6. We know the formula that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, or AN is equal to, that is, we will put the values. 3.6 is equal to A is minus 18.9 plus N, we have to find N minus 1 into D is 2.5, or 3. Or 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to N minus 1 into 2.5. So now we will put the values, above values in the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is, AN is 3.6 is equal to A is minus 18.9 plus N minus 1, that is, we have to find N into D is 2.5, or 3.6 is equal to 18.9 will bring on the left hand side, so 3.6 plus 18.9 becomes equal to N minus 1 into 2.5, or 3.6 plus 18.9, that is equal to 22.5 is equal to 2.5n minus 2.5. So 2.5 we will multiply with n minus 1, we will be getting 2.5n minus 2.5, or 2.5n is equal to 22.5 plus 2.5 will be giving us 25, or n is equal to 25 divided by 2.5, that is equal to 10. So n is equal to 10, that was missing here, so we have found out. तू जो आवाज़ कंट्रोल कर, मैं तेरे मेरा सारा टाइम वेस्ट करता, तू वो तो कमरे चली जा, अपनी अकल तो तेरे भगवान तेन दिती नहीं, भी कम करता पे। So this is part 5, which says a is equal to 3.5, d is equal to 6, n is equal to 10.5, and we have to find out a n. So we know the formula a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now which is equal to a is 3.5 plus n is 10.5 minus 1 into d is 6, or this is equal to 3.5 plus 9.5 into 6, which is equal to 3.5 plus 9.5 into 6, that is 6 into 5, 33, so 6 into 9, 54, plus 3, 57, so 57.0, or this is equal to 57.0 plus 3.5, that is 60.5. So an is equal to 60.5 in this case, which was missing, we have to find that. So this is fifth part. So all the parts of question 1 are over. Friends, I would like to add that I am going to solve most of the problems pertaining to the different chapters. So if you are interested, you can subscribe to this channel, so that it will be useful for you, as you will be getting solutions for the other problems. Thank you, gentlemen. This is question number 2, exercise 5.2, pertaining to arithmetic progressions. That is AP. This says choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Part 1 is 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4 is. So 4 options are given. Option A is equal to 97, option B is equal to 77, option C is equal to minus 77, and option D is equal to minus 87. So in this case, what we have been given, we have to find out 30. We have to find out 30th term. That is A30. We have to find out. And AP series is given as AP series is given as 10, 7, 4 and so on. So here in this case, A is equal to 10, D is equal to 7 minus 10, that is minus 3, and A 30th is equal to N is equal to 30. So we know the formula. A30 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is equivalent to A is 10 plus N minus 1, that is 30 minus 1 into D. D is given as, D we have calculated as minus 3. Or this is equivalent to 10 plus 29 into minus 3, which is equal to 10 minus 87, that is minus 77 is the answer. And minus 77 is the option given, that is C. So C option is the correct, we will say option C is correct. So part 2 says, this part 1 is over, no? Part 2 says 1116 term of AP is minus 3, then minus 1 by 2, then 2, and so on. So choices are given A, B, C, D. A is given as 28, B is given as 22, C is given as minus 36, D is given as minus 48 into 1 by 2. So C is, so in this case, what we have been given, we have to find out the value of A and N is 1116, that we have to find out. So N is equal to 1116, 1116, and series is minus 3, so it means A is first term of the series is minus 3, A is equal to minus 3, and D is equivalent to second term is minus 1 by 2, and minus first term, that is minus 3. Or this is equivalent to minus 1 by 2, minus minus becomes plus, so this becomes plus 3, which is equivalent to minus 1 plus 6, as we have taken LCM 2, so 2 into 3 6, so minus 5 minus 1 plus 5, that it becomes plus 5 by 2. So D is 5 by 2. We know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we'll put the values of so a 1116 becomes equal to minus 3, a is minus 3 plus n minus 1, that is 1116 minus 1 into d is 5 by 2, which is equal to minus 3 plus 1115, that is 1116 minus 1, so that is 1115 into 5 by 2. So this is part 2 of question number 2, exercise 5.2 pertaining to arithmetic progressions, that is AP. This says 11th term of AP, and AP is minus 3 comma minus 1 by 2 comma 2 dash 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 is, options are given A, B, C, D. A is 28, B is equal to 22, C is equal to minus 38, D is equal to minus 48 and 1 by 2. So here we have to find out 11th term, that is A11, and what we have been given, A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to, second term is minus 1 by 2, second term minus first term, that is minus 1 by 2, minus first term is minus 3. which is equal to D is equal to minus 1 by 2. This minus minus becomes plus, plus 3. 2 is LCM, so minus 1 plus 2 into 3 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 5 by 2. So D is equal to 5 by 2. Now we have to find the 11th. We know the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here in this case N is 11. A11 is equal to, first term is A is equal to minus 3 plus N is 11 minus 1 into D is 5 by 2, or this is equal to minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into 5 by 2. So this is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 5 is 10, so 5 into 5 25. So answer is minus 3 plus 25, that is 22. So A11th is 22. So this is 22 is the option B. So B is the correct option. Hence option B is correct one. So this is over now. Hi friends, this is question number 3, exercise 5.2 pertaining to arithmetic progressions, that is AP. In the following AP, find the missing terms in boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are given in this question. So we will take one by one. The first part is 2 dash 26. So this is the series. First part is 2 dash 26. We have to find the second term, that is A2. A1 is given, A2 we have to find out, A3 is also given. So in this case, what we have been given, we will say A1 is equal to 2 and A3 is equal to 26. We have to find the value of A2. Now we know the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is, here A1 is equal to so here in this case what we have given, A1 is given as 2, A3 is given as 26. So we will put the value of an another term A1 is equal to A is also first term plus n is n minus 1 into D. Or we will write it again. So we will say A1 is nothing but, we will write it as A1 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Or we will say A1 is nothing, A1 is equal to A only. A is equal to A plus n is, what is wrong. So here we know the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So in this case what we are going to do, we know A3 is equal to 26, because if you take A1 is equal to 2, so if you use the formula for A1, because that is only first term itself, so then it becomes A1, that is A is equal to A plus n is also 1 minus 1 0, so D is also 0 and A minus A is also 0, so this becomes, everything is become 0. So we will take second term, that is A3 is equal to 26. A3 is equal to 26 and A3 is equal to A plus n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 into D, as we don't know D. So A3 is equal to 26 is equal to, first term is 3 plus 2D, 3 minus 1 into D, so 2D, or the A is given as 2 here. A3 is equal to A plus n minus 1 D, so n is 3, so 3 minus 1 into D, or A3 is given as 26 is equal to A is 2 plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is 2D, or 2D is equal to 26 minus 2, that is 24, or D is equal to 24 by 2, that is 12, and we have to find the value of